Hello, I'm really glad you've joined me today on what is week 3 of the Imeldafit Christmas Challenge. What we're going to be doing today is going to be that day 14, so we are going to do the sleigh bells. It's all about swinging, it's all about keeping your core control. So we're going to work the same format, the 10, 15 and the 20. I will for the most part be standing up, so I've cleared it. If you can work with me on the second set, you will need a mat just to sit down on it. Okay, I'm going to be working in 5s, 3s and 4s. Okay, so I've got, some of them are just ones, some of them pairs, and I've picked up 3 for the pairs because it is a long arm swing on it. Bottle of water, enough space to move about in, you've got the idea, and we should be going on. So, really good work today. We're just going to start with that warm-up. Okay, just out and in for me. Just give me that little drop. Work the arms as well, give that swing through, and already get used to keeping your abs pulled in. Lovely, good. I'm going to stay in a wide squat. Wide, squeeze it together. Drop, push. Now you can really drop through the legs. Get your hips back. Lovely, again. Give me that squeeze through the pecs. Okay, I'm going to turn sideways. Plant my foot down. Swing that arm without my rib cage coming up. Lovely, good. I'm going to come opposite that leg, do me a runner and drive the elbow back as that knee comes forward. I'm going to try that on the other side. Good work. Then I'm going to come up on that leg, drive, core pulled in, all the weight on that front leg. And now I'm going to come into the middle, give me that lift, give me that swing of the arms, nice and loose. Now we're going to go back in the other way. A little stretch between the shoulder blades. Yes, again, just opening out those ankles. Going to give me a step leg curl for here. Step leg curl. Good, swing. Pushing those elbows back. Lats pull down, abs are pulled in. Fronts of the thighs, getting that little stretch out. Hamstrings getting the work. Okay, my last one's going to be a little turn here. Again, just to get that waist warmed up. I'll be using it. Definitely in that first one. Good. Little turn. 4, 3, 2, 1. And give it a little shake off. Good work. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my 4 on this first one because it's going to be a long lever, but it's going to be 2 hands. And I get that turn as well. Okay, I'm going to put that timer on for us. And it's going to be dropping down. Going to start in 5. So, I do the drop, do me the turn, into the middle, come back up, that's 1. Try and get that elbow behind your waist. Good. 5, really feel again through the waist. My hips have to stay to the front because they're in that lunge the whole time. Woo! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, lovely, good. I put that down, I pick up my lighter set. It's going to be a swing. So here I am, swing, pull back. Good, so now my core is really having to work. Glutes on the way up, shoulder blades pull back down and in. Those weights not taking me forward, they get that squeeze at the top. My elbows are up shoulder height by that time. Good, give me 3 more now. 3, lovely, good. 2, 1 more. And good work, well done. Are we ready for that lunge and twist again? Same leg, we're working our way up that tree. There. 1, 2. Stay in my lunge for that twist. Lock it in with your core. Good work, that's 5. Give me that squeeze. 8. Really try and get that elbow back. 9. Good, feel that shoulder blade squeezing into your spine on that swing. 12. 13. Drop into that lunge each time. 14. Make those legs work. And good work, well done. Get the most out of the exercise. Okay, here we go again. Pushing it through. And and then the squeeze at the top. It's like a kettlebell swing, so don't let the weights take you down. Feel strong in your lower back, through your glutes as well. Good, here we go. We've got 5 more now. Give me 5. 5. Give me that squeeze. Good. 4. Make each one a strong one. 3. 2. And 1. Good work. Well done. Are we ready? 4. Big one. Here we go. I'm dropping down. I've got that drop. Give me that turn. Drop and turn. 6. Really feel it in the side of the waist now. Giving definition to that waistband. We have gone halfway now. That was 10. Give me that squeeze. 11. 12. 13. Good. 14. I'm staying low on that turn. Good. Here. 18. Good. My shin. 19. Remember, parallel to floor. That's how much I've dropped. Good work. And here we go. Big one with a kettle, like a kettlebell swing. Legs are wide. Here we go. And drop. Squeeze. Feel strong. 9. Don't let that swing take you. 14. 15. 'And good work, well done. I'm now on the other side and I start with my lunge. So my other leg back, that tells me I've gone halfway through this session here. So good work. Get me that drop. Remember, dropping it so it's to the floor. 1. Your brain has to get used again to going the other way. 2. But this will give a lot of definition to the waist. And remember, we're starting on the big one. Good. We get me that turn when you drop down low. Here we go. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Lovely. Good. From the side here. 11. 12. 13. Core pulled in at the front. 15. 16. Just turn that whole top half. 17. Get that squeeze into shoulder blade, into the spine. You've only got me 2 more to do this big one. Remember, after this, everything gets a little bit shorter. And well done. I am going to go 20 on that kettlebell swing, and then we'll go down in 15s and 10s. Here we go. Strong shoulders pull back and down. Get me that swing, get me that pull back. 1, 2. Squeeze those glutes all up to the top. 12, 13, 14, 15, good, give me that squeeze, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. I'm back to my lunges, but now it's 15. Remember, here's your reward. We're coming down. I'm showing it from the side here. Drop, squeeze, come back up. 1, 2, keep it strong. Give me that squeeze. 3, elbow goes behind your waist as you turn. Good work, well done. 5, think about that waist. 6, 7, good work. Drop and turn. You have now got 5 more to do. You're doing really well. Get me that drop, get me that turn. Good work. Down. Good job. And again. 3 more to do. 3, 2, and 1. And well done. Good. We are 15 now on our swings. Here we go. More. 13, really squeeze those glutes. 14, and here we are. 15, good work, well done. The turn, the drop. Six, 7, 8, 9. Lovely, good. I realised my mistake there. I think that should have been 10, but here we go anyway. We are 10. I am going to finish off with that 10 on the turn. And drop and turn. 1. Here it is, that last 10. Work it through with me. Good. Give me that turn each time. That last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And good work, well done. Good, so if you're coming with me, you need to put a mat on the floor. Otherwise, we go for today. You've done your 10 minutes. It was strong, it was tough, it was quick. You can stick another 10 minutes on the end, pick out any other ones that you want to choose. Do the mix and match, do the ones that you like, do the ones that areas that you want to work in. And I'll see you again next time. Okay, rest of us, we're going to travel on. Okay, going to the floor. I'm going to be doing a Russian twist. So, nice straight back. Get the twist. Legs on or off the floor. I'm going to keep a set with me. So it's going to be, instead of 1, you can choose 1 weight if you want to, end to end. Or a whole one. And we're getting that Russian twist. Okay, are we ready to go? In 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I just start with 10. Feet on or off the floor. And lovely, that's 10. I come up, off the floor. I'm going to pick a bigger weight. And I'm going to do the swing. From one to the other. But this time when I do my swing, I step in and squat. Do my swing. Step in and squat. 2, 3, 4, so I'm coming up each time. 5, back nice and steady. 6, I'm drawing that same circle each time. And well done. I'm already back down, getting ready for those Russian twists. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Feet can be here. 4, 5, but knees do have to bend. 6, and your zip and hollow has to be on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good work. Well done. We're coming up. Same side as we did before. Now, I'm in that squat, coming up and stand up. Down to that squat and stand up. Lovely, good. 4, it's just my arms that move on this one. I stay in my squat there. 5, 6, so get used to that stability. My core, working on both of these. 10, got 5 more this time. There, really nice and strong. 11, 12, good. From the side, it looks like this. 13, don't let that weight take you over, it's just the arms. 14, don't twist through the waist. And here it is, my 15th one. Good work, well done. We've now got either one heavy weight or 2 sets of lighter weights to make it a heavier weight, and we've got that Russian twist. Here we go, core pulled in, dropping down. And here it is, 20, good, the big one, lovely. And again, my core is helping me on this next one. Again, it's the same side, I'll show you from the side so you know my back stays nice and straight and my squat stays in the middle here. Here we go. 1, 2, round and step up. 3, in the middle. 4 with that squat. 5, rib cage down and in. Shoulders down and in. 6, 7, just my arms are going. 8, 9, I've chosen the same leg step out each time. 10, and then go swap over up the top. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, shoulder blades pull down in. 19, and I've got one more to make it to 20. Good work, well done. Russian twist, still go for 20 because it's alternates. So we start with a big one on those Russian twists. Working my way down that tree again, okay. $16, $17, remember that zip and hollow on the toe the whole time. And well done, good. We're coming up. This is where I change over knees for my 20. Good, so it's just on the other knee here. Here we go. That tells me I'm halfway through. I round, I come back up. 1, 2, good. 3, remember that wide squat. 4, 5, 6, good. I'm just coming up from the other side now. 7, and pushing in from the other leg. 8, here's a big one now. You're doing really well. 9, good. I know you're feeling it, me too. 10, 11, just the arms, 12, notice my shoulders do not go with those arms, no twisting through the waist, good, lovely, drop down and out, 15, 16, sorry, 17, 18, 19, and here it is. And you've done the big one on both of those. Lovely, good. So I can come down now. I've got my Russian twist, but I know it's only for 15. Here we go. Dropping down, here or here, I don't mind, but remember your lower back has to be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do remember to look at those weights the whole time. Yeah, that's 12, that's 14, and that's 15. Good work. Coming up off the floor here, and I've got 15 with that up and over. So, legs nice and strong here, into my squat nice and strong, up and over, and stand up. Good. And stand up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely, good. 9. Really feel that rib cage down and in, that back nice and straight. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Lovely, good. And I've only got my 10s to do now. You've done really, really well. Try and keep with those heavy weights. Just 10 twists. It'll be nice and quick. Now remember to keep that core pulled in the whole time. Look at those weights. Don't just let the arms go. You have to go with it. Get me that twist. 2, 4, 6, 8. And that is 10. Good work, well done. Coming down, I come back up, and my last 10 with that across and that step up. Squat, always nice and steady. Here we go. 1, 2. Good. Rib cage down and in, core really pulled in. 3, belly button through to spine. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we ready for our last one? Okay, good work, well done. Just over 20 minutes of work. You've done really, really well. I'm just going to take a stretch up through my abs here. A little stretch up, and then sideways. That'll be good. Now I'm going to do a front of thigh stretch. And those hamstrings, if you want to hold on to something, do. Chair, table, piece of wall. Here we go. Give me that zip and tip. And grab that front of thigh stretch. You can, if you want to, drop through that leg and extend that stretch by just leaning forward, keeping your foot really close to your bottom, your core pulled in, and then I come back up again on that. Lovely, good. I'm going to drop that down into the floor. Feel that calf stretch. Lovely, good. And then I'm just going to change that over into that calf stretch. Lovely, then I'm going to come up, either holding on to something, doing that zip and that tip. Lovely, good. Give me that squeeze through. Tipping that hip bone as much as I can, but with my zip and hollow on. If you want to, a little bit of extra challenge, you can drop it down and give me that lift. It's a nice stretch out. Okay, then coming up. Lovely, good. One big final stretch, pushing down, all the way down. Feel that stretch, down over the lower back, through your shoulder blades, and then down your legs as well. Okay, bending the knees, coming up, dropping down. and then squeezing it through. Okay, lovely, good, just give that a little shake off. Hope you like those swings, again, swinging, but also with your abs, keeping that control for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed teaching it to you. Leave any comments that you want to leave, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye for now.